Good morning, children. 7th standard. I am going to give you the answers for the evaluation, that is the exercises. Which lesson? Unit 2, History, the Mughal Empire. Understand? Those who are having the book, you just take page number 120. Yeah? We'll see from choose the correct answer. I will give you the answers for the evaluation. Understand? First one. First choose the correct answer. The correct option is B, Babur. Second one, in which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap? The answer is C, Haldigati. Then third one, the answer is B, Humayun. Fourth one, the answer is B, Akbar. And fifth one, the answer is C, Raja Todarmal. Raja Todarmal. Okay, then next, Roman letter 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, the answer is dash was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap, Chetak. Second one, Ibadat Khana. Third one, Salim Chishti. Fourth one, Shah Jahan. And fifth one, Soyargal. Then next, match the following. Roman letter 3. First one, I will write the left hand side questions then. Baba, Durgavati, Rani Chand Bibi, Deen Ilahi, fifth one, Raja Mansingh. I'll write the direct answers. Babur, Chanderi. Second one, Central Province, Durgavati, Central Province. Third one, Rani Chand Bibi, Ahmednagar. Fourth one, Deen Ilahi, Akbar. And fifth one, Raja Mansingh, Jaipur. Roman letter 4, true or false? First one, true. Babur inherited Farana, a small kingdom in Central Asia. That is true. Second one, false. Third one, false. Fourth one, true. And fifth one, false. The next one, consider the statement, that is Roman letter 5. First one, assertion. They gave you assertion and reason. Assertion A, the British established the first factory at Surat. Reason is Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. The correct among the 4 options, the correct one is A. R is the correct explanation of A. Then second one, assertion and reason they gave you. For that second one also the correct option is A. That is R is the correct explanation of A. Third one, find out the correct statement. Here they gave you 4 statements. Which one is correct? You have to write among the 4. That is second one, third one and fourth one are correct. Second, third and fourth are correct. Then fourth one, answer is arrange the battles in the chronological order. First one, Battle of Chanderi. Second one, Battle of Chauza. And third one, Battle of Kannauj. And fifth one, arrange the following administrative divisions in descending order. First one, Parganas. Second one, Subas. Third one, Sarkars. Parganas, Subas and Sarkars. Here match the father and the son. That is here. Match father and son. They gave you 5. Akbar, Daulat Khan Lodi, Akbar, Daulat Khan Lodi. Third one, Hasan Suri. Fourth one, Babur. And fifth one, Uday Singh. So you have to write the son. Akbaroda son yaru? Who was Akbar's son? Jahangir. Understand? Akbar's son was Jahangir. Next, Daulat Khan Lodi. Avaroda son Dilawar Khan. Dilawar Khan. Dilawar Khan. Third one, Hasan Suri. Sher Shah. Sher Shah. Fourth, Babur's son Humayun. Humayun. And fifth one, Rana Pratap. Rana Pratap. Okay, children, have you understand? So, choose the correct answer. Roman letter 1, then fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2, 5 are there. Then Roman letter 3, match the following. Understand? Roman letter 4, true or false. Here, 5 kuduthirken. Then Roman letter 5 la first one answer A, second one answer A, third one miss eludhirkeenga. Then fourth one answer and fifth one answer. Understand? Then next one match father and the son. For that I gave you the answers. Okay? Have you all understand then? Then next we'll pass on to short answers. Shall I rub the board? First, take out your classwork and write, ma. Then only it will be easy for you to learn during the exam. Okay, children. So, whenever we are writing it on the board, you have to copy in your classwork notebook. Don't be hesitate and don't be lazy. இவ்வளோ நாள் வீட்டில் இருந்துட்டீங்க, நீங்கள் இன்னும் அப்படியே வீட்டில் தூங்கிட்டே இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு தான் அது கஷ்டம். எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து வச்சு உங்களால் படிக்க முடியாது. Now I will give you answer the following. That is Roman letter 6. Give short answers. First one answer. Write the circumstance that led to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. You don't have the direct answer, so I'll write on the board then. Okay, write the answer on the board. The answer. First point, Dilawar Khan and Alam Khan. Dilawar Khan and Alam Khan arrived in Kabul to seek Baba's help in removing Ibrahim Lodi from power. And the second point in this first question, second point. So Baba invaded India. So Baba invaded India, which led to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Battle of Panipat in 1526. Then second answer. Did Humayun recapture the Delhi throne in 1555? For that you have the answer in page number 110. Page number 110. Just take page number 110, ma. Turn over page number 110. Here, the paragraph you have. With the help of this paragraph, with the help of the Persian ruler Shah Tahmasp of the Safavid dynasty, Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1556. Till that. Okay. Then third one. Question is, write a note on Mansabdari system. The answer, I'll write it on the board because you don't have the direct answer. Okay, the first point in that, Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system. And second point, the noble, civil and military officials, the nobles, civil and military officials were combined to form one single service in this system. One single service in this system. And third point, a Mansabdar hold such a rank which was dependent on Jat, Z-A-T, Jat and Sawar. So, short answer is over. Okay. Okay, children. In the next class, we'll continue the detailed answer. Okay, children. Thank you. See you. Bye.